Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Enelify to control home EV charging from anywhere, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the Enelify website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to be directed to the login screen. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Enelify account in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure to check for any typos to ensure the information is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided to reset your password. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button to access your account. In case you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a code on your registered device. Enter this code into the prompt that appears on the screen. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Enelify dashboard. From the dashboard, you can monitor and control your home EV charging settings. Explore the various features available to manage your charging sessions effectively. If you encounter any issues while logging in, check your internet connection and try again. For further assistance, refer to the support section available on the Enelify website. You are now ready to manage your home EV charging from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.